Sonny. Judulnya, what's the title of the book? Panda says, sorry. Sonny is a panda cub. Hey, less of the cub, Sonny says, with a grin. In the winter, Sonny's paws get cold. Pawsnya tangan deh. Get cold in the snow. Look, so many snows, yeah. Sonny and his mommy move further down the mountain and into the valley, where it is a bit warmer. Dia mencari tempat yang lebih hangat. Karena salju itu dingin. Look, Sonny meet who? One day, Sonny is playing a rolling game with his friend Ruby, a fox named Ruby, the red panda. Oh, sorry, this is the red panda. The pair roll down the valley until bump. Sonny rolls into Ruby and the pair clash heads. Bentur kepala. Ouch, says Ruby. That hurt. But Sonny is bigger than Ruby, and he isn't hurt. He just laughed. Laugh itu apa? Ketawa. The next day, Sonny asks Ruby, shall we go rolling again? And Ruby says, no, thank you. I don't want to play today. Next though, adik next it. Sonny goes to find his friends. Dot, the leopard cat. Ooh. Do you want to come climbing with me, Dot? He asks. Oh yes, says Dot. And together the pair climb up trees and over the rocks. They are having a great time until Sonny steps on Dot's tail. Keinjek deh buntutnya. Ouch, says Dot. Tunggu dulu. But Sonny knows it was an accident. He just laughed. Jadi yang tadi, yang red panda bump heads, Sonny-nya just laugh. Terus yang ini, yang leopardnya diinjek tailnya, Sonny juga just laugh. Gitu ya. The next day, neither Ruby nor Dot want to play with Sonny. Instead, he finds his friend Mo, the golden monkey. The pair are having a wonderful time playing inside and hide and seek until Mo finds such a good hiding place. Then Sonny can't find him anywhere. Sonny gives up and goes home for tea. Wah, gak dicari maunya. Dia main hide and seek, maunya nggak dicari karena dia nggak ketemu maunya ada di mana. The following morning, Sonny spots Mo and his family at the river. Mo is cross. I waited ages for you to find me, he says. You could have called out to say you were going home. Instead, I waited in the snow and got really cold. Sonny cuma bilang apa? Oh! He goes back to find his mom. Cuma gitu doang. Suddenly, Sonny has no friends. Gak ada temennya lagi deh untuk main. He stands quietly with his mommy, drinking from a cool pool of water. What's the matter, Sonny? Asks mommy, as she tucks into some bamboo. Sonny explains what happened with his friends. And mommy says, I think your friends might be a bit upset. Sepertinya teman-temanmu sedikit sedih. But why? Says Sonny. Kenapa? Kata Sonny. I didn't mean to hurt Ruby and stopping on Dot's tail was an accident. Katanya dia tidak sengaja kan. Clash kepala sama siapa ini namanya Ruby, terus sama injek tailnya Dot. Itu kan tidak sengaja. And Mo, terus Sonny bilang, well, I was a little bit cross that Mo had found such a good hiding place. So I left him, but I didn't think he would stay there for so long. maunya nungguin Sony untuk ini. Terus maminya bilang, there's a special word you can say to make things better, katanya. Ada apa? Ada kata yang sangat spesial yang bisa kamu katakan agar hal-hal itu menjadi lebih baik. Even when you didn't mean to do something. Do you know what that word is? Terus Sony berpikir, is it sorry? Kata Sony. He whispers. Mommy nods. Nods itu apa? Mengangguk. I think you know what you need to do, Sony. And then, next. Sony searches the forest to find each of his friends. One by one, he says sorry to them. And he explains why he's sorry, to make sure he means it. So this is Ruby, Dot, and Mo. Dia pergi satu-satu ke temannya ya, and says the special word apa? Sorry. The next day, Sony is losing inside a hollow tree trunk. There he is a knock on the wood. Look, who's here? Sony says, Mommy. Sony peers out of the cozy trunk, then grins. All of his friends were there and asked, would you like to play? They ask. And Sony replies, yes, please. Gitu deh. Jadi Sony is about to go off play when he noticed Mommy's great big smile. Maminya senang, Sony sudah bisa berkata sorry ke teman-temannya ya. Terus katanya, Mommy, I'm not a little anymore, remember? But he gives his mommy a good squeeze hug as they cuddle. Then Sony follow his friends out into the valley and they play along. Yay! So, a happy ending for Mommy, Sony, and his friends. Do you like the panda story? You do? Hey.